Hi everyone, this is Brad. This is video number 13 in a series of videos about Edpuzzle. We're going to take a look at grading your assignments and how do you know if you have anything to grade. So there's going to be a lot of notifications. So you can see right in here, if we select notifications, this has just been turned in. If you see a little red dot next to your class, you can see that there's an assignment and there's a new answer in here. There's also pending to grade. So there's a lot of ways that you can go ahead in and check that. So if we go in and we select the specific assignment, you're going to see also right up in here, there's one new answer. The student has turned it in about 4 minutes ago. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to select one new answer. When we do that, you're going to see that right in here, there's a possibility to autograde which planet is the smallest. I'm going to select autograde and I'm going to type it in. Mercury is the smallest planet because you want your students to respond in a complete sentence. And then we're going to select auto grade again. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead back. You can see there's nothing left to be graded. And right in here, if we select it, you're going to see that it was graded 100%. Now, I'm going to show you what it looks like if a student doesn't type in exactly like Mercury. They didn't spell it correctly. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Okay, so you can see where I wrote in that Mercury is the smallest planet. Let's see how it grades it. One other thing to point out, when students are done, when they come all the way to this is when they click submit and then it's been submitted. So let's go in and take a look and see what it looks like grading wise. Okay, so I'm back in and I have one new answer. So, see what planet is the smallest. If I select auto grade again, you can also select these things where it says mark ungraded as correct. So that's something else just to know anything that's not graded. If you have a bunch of them, if you look through and you want them all to be graded as correct, you can do that. I'm going to select auto grade here. Let's see what it does. So if we went in, this student has 5, you can see that it graded it as correct. Even though it was not exactly spelled correctly. So that was one thing I did want to point out to you, that it will still auto grade that as correct. If you want to change it, of course, you could go in and adjust what you need to, and then you can add a comment if you would like to, right in here. If you just select and just make sure to spell correctly. You know, whatever it may be, and then you can go ahead, send that on, and you're good to go. And the student will see that, and I'll show you what they see. Okay, so when students go into Edpuzzle, what they can do is they can select their notifications. They'll see right up in here, and they'll see make sure to spell correctly. They'll go ahead in, and they can see what grade they received, and then the note that you wrote, and then they could respond to you as well. So there you go. We'll have some more videos in a little bit. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.